Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your group picture on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on your group, now click here and now click here, and here you will find change group photo. Click on it and here choose you can take photo or choose a photo. That's it. Choose any photo from your gallery and select it, and that's it. That's how to change your group photo, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.